Thank you to the Argentinian customers for visiting our company and visiting our LED showroom and production workshop. Your visit provides us with a rare opportunity to show you the strength of our company and the advantages of our products. During the visit, our sales manager provided you with professional and detailed product information explanation. He introduced our company's LED product series in detail, from technical parameters to performance characteristics, demonstrating the advantages of our products in an all-round way. Your careful observation of the products in the showroom is complemented by the sales manager's professional explanation, giving you a deeper understanding of our company's products and technologies. We always adhere to customer needs as the center and provide customers with the most suitable products and services. We thank you for your visit and look forward to establishing a long-term and solid cooperative relationship with you in the future. Thank you again for your visit. We will continue to work hard to provide you with better quality LED products and services, and work with you to develop the LED market and create a better future.